Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix visual intelligence missing from control center on iPhone, add child and allow access. To fix visual intelligence missing from your iPhone's control center, you must ensure your device is compatible, enable Apple Intelligence settings and then manually add the child. Fix 1. Verify hardware and software compatibility. First, compatible hardware. You must be using an iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, or any model from the iPhone 16 or iPhone 17 lineup. Software update. Now open the Apple Support Guide or your device settings to check your OS version. iPhone 16 models requires iOS 18.2 or later, while iPhone 15 Pro models require iOS 18.4 or later to support the control center tile. Fix 2. Allow access and enable features. Open Settings and then tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now ensure Apple Intelligence is toggled to on. If you recently enabled it, wait for the background download to complete over Wi-Fi. Now scroll down and ensure extensions like ChatGPT are turned on if you want full search functionality. Fix 3. Add the tile to Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to pull up the control center. Now press and hold an empty space or tap the plus icon at the top left to enter edit mode. Now tap Add a control at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to the Apple Intelligence and Siri category or search for Visual Intelligence in the top bar. Now tap on Visual Intelligence to populate the tile on to your layout. You can drag its corners to resize the tile to your liking. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.